Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. So we have cross, clouds, and heart. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your career or in your relationship, Aquarius, you are someone who is, who has a lot of willpower and determination. So, you never give up easily. So, whatever you take up, it may be some decisions you make in your career or in your relationship, in your personal life. You are someone who works with dedication, and you have faced a lot of difficulties in your life. You have sacrificed a lot to achieve what you need to achieve, maybe in your career situation. Your success and your position today has been due to your hard work. So, you have faced a lot of trials, sacrificed a lot for your position today, and you have a lot of experience also, guys. You know what will be the right thing. So you have a lot of experience in your life, but today, maybe for some of you, I see that you are quite confused about something. You don't know what will work or what will be the right thing. So your mind is telling you something and your heart is telling you something else. So you are having a lot of confusion which to choose or what way to go. So you are unable to decide on something, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are getting some offers. Maybe in your career, you have some offers coming towards you, and you are quite confused to choose which one. So something looks right, but in your heart of heart, you have a feeling that it may not work out in the long run. So even in your relationship, guys, maybe for some of you, your intuition is telling you certain things and your mind is telling you certain things. So you are quite confused. Maybe this person looks like a loving and a caring person, trustworthy, reliable person, and you want this connection with them. You love them and you feel that this relationship is going towards marriage or commitment. But and you have done so much, you have sacrificed so much for this love, and you have done so much, and you feel that you today with what this person is speaking, maybe their words or maybe their behavior is something you feel that something is not right, and something you feel that you cannot have that trust on this person. So let's see what is the card. So it is a positive card, guys. So maybe with this card, situation may resolve, maybe your doubts may get clarity. So if you had some doubts on this person or in this love, maybe you were in some kind of confusion, it is all going to clear up, guys. Maybe you may have help from friends or family. They are giving you the right idea what needs to be done in this relationship, or you may have a open communication, or whatever uh, needs to be done to resolve this situation. That is what is happening. Maybe you were in some difficult situation in this relationship and things are going to clear up. You will reach clarity and you will reach um, that reconciliation. Maybe some arguments or some doubts, whatever it was, guys. With this card, it just means that your situation will resolve, Aquarius, whatever problems you have in this relationship, guys. So for your career situation, we have Tree. So again, it's a positive card. So you are building and strengthening your career situation. So you're doing everything, working with dedication and doing the right things in your work. So things will go in a positive way for y'all guys in your relationship and in your career situation, Aquarius. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Aquarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have a beautiful card, Let Love Transform. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, in your relationship, maybe if you are already in a connection, this love is going to change you and you are going to move into a deeper, more intimate connection with this person, and you are really blessed and it is a blessing coming towards you for your relationship, guys. So things are going to go in such a way, it may look like a gift, something which you never expected in your circumstances, guys. And also for those who are single, you will find someone you love, and this person and yourself, you are going to have a very positive, meaningful connection. And maybe you if you are already in a connection or if you are finding someone new, it is all going to happen at the right time, guys. So maybe something may not fulfill your expectation, may not stick to the timeline you expect, but things are happening and there are positive changes in this relationship or some good things coming towards you, but it may not be a moment earlier or a moment later, but at the right time. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love will find you and you are simply going to be so happy and pleased. So you need not worry, guys. You need not have anxiety or any kind of worry thinking about what is happening in this relationship, whether it will be the one you expect, whether it will be the one that pleases you. So you need not worry about all that. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love is finding you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have black tourmaline. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in any relationship, guys, if you want to be in a very positive connection, you must have your own boundaries. So the time you need to be free, the time you need to be with yourself to do what you love to do. So this card is for shielding and protection in any relationship. So maybe with this person you love, you may simply yearn to be with them all the time, guys. So this person may be your soulmate or your twin flame, and you may have a great connection with them, but you need some time away from them, maybe just to realize how much you love them and how much you love when you get back to them. So maybe taking time off from your love with your friends, maybe spending some time with your friends or your family, it's just going to rejuvenate this relationship you both have, and you will know that. But it should be something that is happening naturally, guys. You should not force it. You should not try to forcefully stay away from this person. Maybe if you love to be with them, that is what you should do. But if you want to be with yourself, maybe take some time for yourself, maybe do the things you love to do alone, you should go for it. It is simply going to help you. It is simply going to strengthen this connection you have with this person. It is going to make you more relaxed, and that is the thing that is going to make your relationship more nurturing and fulfilling, and it is going to strengthen this connection you both have, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should not be afraid to build healthy boundaries in any relationship. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.